Welcome to the AZ-900 mini quiz number 3 practice test. Let's begin. Question 1. Which Azure service allows you to create private networks in the cloud? Option A, Azure VPN Gateway. Option B, Azure Load Balancer. Option C, Azure Virtual Network. Option D, Azure Firewall. The correct answer is C. Azure Virtual Network enables secure private networking for Azure resources. Question 2. What is the main purpose of Azure Regions? Option A, Billing Management. Option B, Service Availability. Option C, Resource Organization. Option D, User Authentication. The correct answer is B. Azure Regions define where Azure resources are physically hosted. Question 3. Which Azure service distributes traffic across multiple resources? Option A, Azure Front Door. Option B, Azure Load Balancer. Option C, Azure Monitor. Option D, Azure Advisor. The correct answer is B. Azure Load Balancer helps distribute incoming traffic for high availability. Question 4. Which cloud benefit allows faster innovation without hardware purchases? Option A, Elasticity. Option B, Scalability. Option C, Agility. Option D, Resiliency. The correct answer is C. Agility allows rapid development and deployment without infrastructure delays. Question 5. What does CapEx primarily involve? Option A, Operational expenses. Option B, Subscription fees. Option C, Upfront infrastructure costs. Option D, Pay-per-use billing. The correct answer is C. CapEx refers to upfront investments in hardware and infrastructure. Question 6. Which Azure service stores structured NoSQL data? Option A, Azure Blob Storage. Option B, Azure File Storage. Option C, Azure Cosmos DB. Option D, Azure Queue Storage. The correct answer is C. Cosmos DB is designed for globally distributed NoSQL data. Question 7. Which Azure service helps enforce organizational standards? Option A, Azure Advisor. Option B, Azure Policy. Option C, Azure Monitor. Option D, Azure Backup. The correct answer is B. Azure Policy ensures resources comply with defined rules. Question 8. What type of cloud deployment is shared by multiple organizations? Option A, Private. Option B, Public. Option C, Community. Option D, Hybrid. The correct answer is C. Community clouds are shared by organizations with common requirements. Question 9. Which service provides DNS hosting in Azure? Option A, Azure Traffic Manager. Option B, Azure DNS. Option C, Azure Front Door. Option D, Azure Firewall. The correct answer is B. Azure DNS hosts and manages DNS domains using Azure infrastructure. Question 10. Which Azure tool estimates costs before deployment? Option A, Azure Monitor. Option B, Azure Calculator. Option C, Azure Advisor. Option D, Azure Cost Management. The correct answer is B. The Azure Pricing Calculator helps estimate service costs. Question 11. What is the smallest unit of Azure management? Option A, Resource. Option B, Resource Group. Option C, Subscription. Option D, Management Group. The correct answer is A. Resources are the basic building blocks like VMs or storage accounts. Question 12. Which Azure service protects against DDoS attacks? Option A, Azure Firewall. Option B, Azure Defender. Option C, Azure DDoS Protection. Option D, Azure Sentinel. The correct answer is C. Azure DDoS Protection safeguards applications from attacks. Question 13. What Azure feature provides automatic backups for VMs? Option A, Azure Policy. Option B, Azure Backup. Option C, Azure Monitor. Option D, Azure Advisor. The correct answer is B. Azure Backup protects data with automated backups. Question 14. Which cloud concept ensures data remains intact even after failures? Option A, Elasticity. Option B, Durability. Option C, Scalability. Option D, Agility. The correct answer is B. Durability ensures data is not lost and remains available. Question 15. Which Azure service offers unified security management? Option A, Azure Sentinel. Option B, Azure Defender. Option C, Azure Advisor. Option D, Azure Monitor. The correct answer is B. Azure Defender provides advanced threat protection across Azure resources. This completes the practice session. Great job!